everybody, welcome. Now, I'm going to do, what's it called? Oh, a leftover stir fry. Basically just a stir fry, but with some ingredients I got left over that I just want to get rid of. So, it's going to be a nice simple one. It's going to be cheap. So, there's only one thing I've bought. The rest I've already had in the fridge and that, so I just want to get rid of it. So let me show you what I've got, and let's show you what I'm going to do. Right, I got myself some chicken. So that's got about another 3 or 4 days left on it, but I want to get rid of it because I'm going shopping again tomorrow. So I'm getting rid of that. I've got some herby potatoes, so they're doing in the stir fry. But I'm going to stick them in the microwave first and soften them up. I've got some sweet chilli sauces, oyster and spring onion, only 30p each they are. I've got some peppers which are going to go in. I've got some onions, I've had them a couple of months now, I forgot I bought them. I usually just buy normal onions, so I'm going to use them up. I'm going to put a bit of broccoli in. Bit of green beans in. I have got peas and sweet corn, but Nat don't like peas and sweet corn. It's only me and the one lad who likes that, so I ain't having them. And some noodles. So it's going to be quite simple, basic. So the most expensive thing was the chicken, but I've already had that in. You can always just do a vegetable one of these if you wanted to. So I'm going to dice the chicken up first, like so. I've just done big chunks, I want them a bit chunky. So I'm going to fry them up first, get a bit of colour on them. So I'm going to put a bit of one spray in my pot, in my pan, first. And I'm going to get this chicken in. I'm going to put a bit of salt and pepper on. I've only got table salt today, so I'll go shopping tomorrow. Then I'm just going to brown that up. And while that's browning, well, searing, whatever you call it, I'm going to get them potatoes in the microwave. Right, they're done. I'm just going to swap it over with my wok. A bit of olive oil in the wok. Get that on, hot. Potatoes are done. I've chopped some peppers up, I only used 2, I don't think I'll need 3. Then we'll get the chicken in. I'm keeping the juices as well, why not? Now I know some people say, oh, you should do the peppers and that first, but I don't. I'm going to get it all in now, and some onions. I completely forgot about these. Completely forgot about them. Now give that a minute. Right, I've had a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to get my sauces in. Oyster and spring onion. Sweet chilli and garlic. Get it all. I have got another oyster one there, I need to put it in. Find out in a minute. Oh, that smell. Yeah, I'm going to stick it in. I'm going to stick the other oyster one in. There we go. Right, now I'm going to simmer that down now. I'm going to put a lid on. I haven't got a lid for this, I just use a saucepan lid. Good enough. And with about 5 minutes to go, just get your veg in. And your potatoes. Then we should be on to a nice meal. Well, that chicken's all nice and cooked now. So, for the last couple of minutes. Let's have some broccoli in, get some veg in for the kids. And some peas, green beans, whatever they're called, them things. Give that a nice mix. Oh yes, looking gorgeous. Look at this for a cheap meal. Good old cheap meals. I get the lid on that. Just let it simmer for a couple of minutes now just to cook the broccoli. Right, it's virtually done. So I'm going to stick just a couple of potatoes in. The potatoes are already cooked, I was in the microwave. People say, oh, you can't have potatoes in a stir fry. You tell them, you like them, you have them. There we go. Give that a little mix. Let's get them juices. I mean, look how much there is here, look. Loads. And what they're doing for the last couple of minutes, I'm going to, let me shut that door, the dogs are messing around. Now I like my noodles in the stuff, but Nat and the lads don't, so I'm not going to do it in there. I'm just going to do it in the microwave. Get yourself a couple of these in a bowl, nice and simple. Break it up. And you just want a tablespoon of water in the bottom, and that's it. Give it a mix. And stick them in the microwave for a couple of minutes. Job's a good one. Right, it's all done. So I'm going to turn that off. Look how nice that looks, look. Nice hearty meal there, look. Delicious. Let's plate it up. Right, get the noodles. So I only use 1 pack. I have got 2 packs, but I only use 1 pack. Depending on how many you're filling. Gorgeous. And get your stuff in. A bit of both. Broccoli. Some juice. Some more chicken. Oh yes. Loads of it there, there's absolutely loads. Let's make it looking nice. Gorgeous. Look at that. Cheap, easy meal. Superb. Right, let's give it a taste test. So then, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Bit of chicken first. I tell you what, them seasoning packs for 30p. Don't half save the effort, you know. It's gorgeous. Right, I'm going to go and eat that before it goes cold. Got Nat and the lad sitting up at the table eating theirs already. So, if you do like content like this, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. And don't forget to go and subscribe to Lou. I'll leave a link in the channel. I want to get it to 1,000 by next Wednesday. Come on, we can do it. We're nearly there. Just a little bit more of a push and we can get it there. See you later. Bye bye.